action words. Travel and vacation with Chikoo. Pack. We pack our things before a trip. Ride. We ride in a car to go places. Fly. We fly in an airplane to travel far. Sail. We sail on boats across the water. Explore. We explore new places and learn. Take photo. We take photos to remember our trip. Hike. We hike on mountains and hills.
Swim! We swim at the beach or pool. Camp! We camp outdoors with a tent.
Sightsee. We sightsee to look at famous places. Relax. We relax and rest during holidays. Wow! We learned so many action words for travel and vacation. Which one is your favorite?